Dear faculty members, researchers, and students, thank you for submitting your abstracts for oral presentation at ICAST 2020 virtual to be held on 7 and 8 of December 2020 under the shelter of the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan in collaboration with Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. Here we are sharing the finalized schedule of ICAST 2020, but before that, it would be my privilege to introduce the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan. The Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan was established on 13 of September 2018. AZSP is a professional body that represents Pakistani zoologists, scientists, and allied health professionals in various fields of life sciences. AZSP provides a platform for professional exchange, education, and collaboration amongst its members with the aim to promote advancement of biosciences in the country. With the increasing interest in biosciences and rapid development of this field in Pakistan and worldwide, AZSP membership has been growing over the years with over 3,000 members to date. These are bright founding members of AZSP. ICAUS is an annual event organized under the shelter of the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan. Up till now, AZSP has organized two successful events. The first international conference was held during the year 2018 with the theme Exploration of Novel Techniques in the Field of Applied Zoology and Conservation of Endangered Species. And second international conference on applied zoology was held in 2019, which was themed as Emerging Research and New Areas in the Key Area of Applied Zoology. After two successful events, AZSP is now organizing virtual Third International Conference of Zoology 2020 with the theme to address inspirational motivation of applied zoological sciences in the age of uncertainty. Conference program will be comprises of 2 days. You can join us live at YouTube, Facebook, and Zoom as well. On day 1, there will be inauguration ceremony at 8 o'clock. After that, there will be plenary session in which our keynote speakers will join us from Malaysia, Turkey, and Spain. Now I'm going to share oral presentation session of day 1 of ICAST 2020. All the presenters may confirm their schedule of talk in respective session. Organizing committee will also share program PDF and YouTube links of each session via email. Keeping in view the current pandemic situation of COVID-19, there will be a special session which will include the talks from the research area of COVID-19. During this session, 5 international and national presenters will join us. First session will start at 10:30 and it will include the talks from the fields of drug discovery, biotechnology, bioinformatics, and nanotechnology. Second session will start at 12 o'clock and it will include the talks from the disciplines of biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology, physiology, and microbiology. On the next note, third session will include oral presentations from the fields of parasitology, entomology, toxicology, and pathology. And timing of this session will prolong from 2 o'clock to 3:30. Fourth session of day 1 of ICAST 2020 will start at 3:30 and it will include 11 talks from the fields of natural products, cancer biology, epidemiology, and recombinant DNA technology. Last and fifth session of day 1 will start at 5 o'clock and it will include the oral presentations from the fields of ecology, fisheries, wildlife, biodiversity, and nutrition. Let's move towards the schedule of second day of ICAST 2020. On day 2 of third international conference on applied zoology 2020, the plenary session will start at 8:10 and our keynote speakers from Turkey, UK, Italy, and Chile will join us. First session will start at 9 o'clock and there will be total 7 talks. And timing of second session will be 10 o'clock to 10:30 and it will include 11 talks. Third session will include 6 talks and duration of this session will be from 11:30 to 12:30. Fourth session of day 2 of ICAST 2020 will start at 12:30 including total 6 talks. Last and fifth session will include 11 oral presentations and its duration will be from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, there will be closing ceremony. Thank you for presenting your research at ICAST 2020. If you have any queries, you may contact the organizing secretary of ICOS 2020. Stay tuned with us.